Hello and welcome. Today we will play Bad Moon Rising by CCR on our guitars. If you like music by Creedence Clearwater Revival like I do, this video is part of a series with several of their songs, so make sure and check out the series. For this song, we only need 3 chords, and that is D, A, and G. Anytime you see a chord by itself, give it 4 beats. Like, let's look at the intro. We see the D is by itself, so we're going to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're approaching chords in brackets. I will teach the strumming pattern, by the way, but for now I want to train the fretboard hand to land the switches in time. So when we see the chords in brackets, each one will get 2 beats. So the total inside the brackets is still 4. So we'll have A for 2 beats, 1, 2, G for 2, 1, 2, and then back to D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's try just strumming on that beat 1 for the different chords in the intro. Let's try it. 1, 2, slower. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, breathing. 1, 2, again, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, G2, D2, 3, 4, D2, 3, 4. And from this we can already hear the song. I see bad moon rising. And you can see the lyric really guides the chord switch. I see a bad moon rising. That's important because once we add the strumming pattern, it becomes a little bit more interesting. So let's go to verse 1 and let's talk about strumming patterns. The first D chord in the phrase where we say, I see, and then again, I see, that is such an important strum. I would like for you to do down, down. I see, try that. I see, sing and play. I see, again, I see, 2 more times, I see, again, last time. That's important. Now the next part of the strum is the most challenging because I'm going to ask you to not really do anything. There's a little silence. Look, let me play the full strumming pattern for that D chord. Down, down, wait, up, down, up. Or a little rest. Down, down, rest, up, down, up. On that rest, I like to move my hand downwards without touching the strings, because if I do that, then it's ready for that up strum. Let me show you. Down, down, and then a silent strum. Up, down, up. Down, down, wait, up, down, up. I'm saying wait or rest. Here we go. Ready, go. Down, down, rest, up, down, up. Let's do it like 10 times. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, rest, up, down, up. Again, 2, ready, go. Down, down, rest, up, down, up. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, rest, up, down. 2, ready, and I see. 1, 2, ready, go. I see. Okay, good. Now, looking at the chords in brackets. For those, I do a down, down, up, and then again, down, down, up. Let me show you. Down, down, up, down, down, up. And there really is no time between that A to G. So if you're more of a beginner, just do 1 down strum and then another down strum like this. Or 2 down strums. Adjust to what feels comfortable to you. So let me put those things together so that you can see see it in context. First time I will tell you the strumming directions. The second time I'll sing. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Again. I see the moon. Okay. Now, when we get to rising, that has just a normal strumming pattern of down, down, up, down, up, and then again, down, down, up, down, up. Thankfully, this is the strumming pattern we will use for everything else in the song. The only times we're going to do that bum bum is going to be intro, and anytime we're saying something like I see, or in verse 2, I hear, I know. And you'll feel it, you'll get a feel for it. So I would love to play one phrase like I see a bad moon rising. Let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and I see a bad moon rising. Down, up, down, up. Let's do that again. I'll go slower. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's do that 2 more times. 1, 2, 1, 2. You can do it. Go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. One more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and I see a moon rising. Keep going. 2, ready, go. I see trouble on the way. I see earthquakes and lightning. I see bad times today. Now we're gonna go to the chorus, and I'm thinking, oh, that's my cat. I'm thinking I should have just started at the chorus because the chorus is so much easier. So the chorus, everything just has 4 beats. So we can do the strumming pattern down, down, up, down, up that we were doing earlier in the verse. So the chorus will sound like this. 1, 2, join me. 1, 2, ready. Don't go around tonight. Well, it's fun to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Let's try that again. 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, chorus, ready, and don't go around tonight. It's fun to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Okay, I feel like I didn't do the best job explaining the strumming pattern for the verse, but this is all you need for the whole song. So let's go back to the verse strumming pattern and give me some feedback in the comments down below. Let me know, should I have gone slower? Do you feel like, no, you got it, like it's working? Please let me know. I do read all the comments, and that's what's helped me become a better teacher year after year. So thank you. So the strumming pattern for the first D chord in each phrase of the verse is down, down, rest, up, down, up. Again, 2, ready, go. Down, down, rest, up, down, up. 1, 2, 2 more times. I see. Again, 2, ready, go. I see. In brackets, each chord will have down, down, up, down, down, up. Try it. The brackets. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Again. 2, 1, 2, ready, and down, down, up, down, down, up. Again. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, down, up. So let's add those 2 sections together. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then the last 2 remaining Ds in the phrase have the strumming pattern down, down, up, down, up, and again down, down, up, down, up. Let's do those 2 Ds. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Let's put the whole phrase together. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, Up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Again, go down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Again, and I see the moon rising. I see trouble on the way. I see earthquakes and lightning. I see the times today. Go to the chorus. 1, 2, ready, and turn around tonight. It's bound to take your life. There's a bright moon on the right. The rest of the song follows this format. If you're thinking, oh, maybe if she slowed down, it would be perfect. The good news is that on YouTube, the gear icon allows you to change the playback speed of a video. So you can make it slower. Maybe I'll sound a little goofy speaking slowly, but I think it could be beneficial so that you can set it to the time that you would like. So that really does conclude this song. Remember, this is part of a series, and I'm also doing it in ukulele tutorials. So if you have a ukulele lying around, or if you've been curious about playing the ukulele, check out the video and see what we do. If you can play guitar, you can play ukulele. The skills are very transferable. And if you want to support what I'm doing, or would like to attend the live lessons that I teach every week on Wednesdays and Thursdays, or if you would like to get the PDFs that I make, because I do have a master's degree in education and I studied curriculum and instruction. So every week, my Patreon members receive new PDFs that help them on their learning journey. The PDFs are there's a separate document for ukuleles, one for baritone ukulele and one for guitars. And so I send out all three every Monday. So if you're interested in getting all of that, join us on the Patreon community at patreon.com/Bernadette Teaches Music. And then every once in a while, people will ask which guitar I'm playing for the video. So this is the Martin, what is it called? Martin Inception Maple. That is what it's called. I'll make sure and link it down below so that you can check it out. It's nice because it's acoustic electric, so I can plug it in. Yeah, and if you have any other questions, write them in the comments down below. I do try to answer questions as much as possible, but I do read all the comments. Thank you so much, and hope to see you in the next one. Ciao.